Today, I'm putting automation apps to the test to see if they can really save me hours every day while I sleep. Automation apps are like your personal assistants working tirelessly in the background. They handle those pesky tasks that usually take up your energy and time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Imagine waking up to find that everything is running smoothly without you lifting a finger. That's the dream, right? A lot of us are guilty of getting lost in daily routines that feel like they steal our time. Think about scrolling through emails, responding to messages, or even scheduling appointments. It's so easy to get bogged down. And let's not forget about social media. Hours can slip away while we mindlessly browse. Before you know it, it's bedtime, and you're wondering where your day went. These annoyances can leave you feeling drained and unproductive. We all need better ways to manage our days. One significant area where people waste time is repetitive tasks. How often do you find yourself copying and pasting information across different platforms, or maybe manually entering data into spreadsheets? Those little tasks can pile up and take a toll on your productivity. Opening the same apps repeatedly can become a real drag. It's no surprise that so many are on the lookout for smarter solutions to save time. Let's dive into some specific automation apps that have made a huge difference in my routine. One of my favorites is IFTTT, which stands for If This Then That. It allows you to create automation chains for different tasks. For instance, you can automatically save email attachments to your cloud storage without even touching your phone. Another gem is Zapier, which connects your favorite apps to automate tedious workflows. Picture this: adding new email subscribers straight into your contacts while you sleep. No manual work involved. Another fantastic app is Todoist. It helps me track my to-do lists and even sends reminders at the right time. It's like having your own virtual manager that keeps everything on track. Lastly, there's Buffer, which lets you automate your social media posts, so you're still engaging with your audience while you catch up on sleep. A personal success story really drives this home. A few months ago, I was spending hours each week on manual tasks like reporting and scheduling. Honestly, I was feeling overwhelmed. After implementing these automation tools, I started saving at least 10 hours a week. Just imagine how liberating it feels to free up that much time. I've been able to dedicate so much of that time to projects I truly enjoy. The difference in my productivity levels is like night and day. To wrap it up, automation apps can be total game changers. They help streamline your daily tasks, cut down on time-wasting activities, and boost your productivity. The best part, they work even when you don't. I'd love to hear about your favorite automation tools. Share them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more productivity tips, be sure to check out my other video.